If you're trying to program a 2013 Hyundai Elantra key fob, here's the important truth first. You cannot fully program a new key fob at home for this model. The 2013 Elantra uses an immobilizer system, which means new key fobs must be programmed with a dealer or locksmith scan tool. There is no ignition key cycling method that works for adding a brand new fob. What you can do at home is resync an existing fob or fix a fob that suddenly stopped responding. Start by replacing the key fob battery. Use a CR2032 battery and make sure it's installed correctly. A weak battery is the most common reason the fob stops working. Next, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the ON position without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock or unlock button on the fob for about 10 seconds. If the locks cycle, the fob has resynced. If the locks do not cycle, the fob is either damaged, incompatible, or needs professional programming. For adding a brand new key fob, you'll need to visit a Hyundai dealership or an automotive locksmith. They connect a diagnostic tool, pair the fob to the vehicle's computer, and program the immobilizer chip. This usually takes only a few minutes. Quick recap. Replace the battery first. Try resyncing only if the fob previously worked. And for new key fobs, dealer or locksmith programming is required. Like and subscribe if I helped you.